Welcome to our channel and thank you for watching this video. Thanks to the advancement of technologies, including AI, baseball is poised for significant changes in the future. Let's delve into the details. We explore a future where technology, especially artificial intelligence AI, reshapes the world of baseball. AI is set to revolutionize every facet of baseball, from players to teams and fans' experiences. Future baseball players will benefit immensely from AI-driven training programs. AI optimizes personalized training regimens down to milliseconds, analyzing data to pinpoint areas for improvement in batting, pitching, fielding, and more. This individualized coaching helps players make rapid advancements, enhancing their competitive edge in games. Players will actively utilize training in the metaverse, a virtual environment that mimics real-life game scenarios. Here, they can experiment with new strategies and hone their ability to handle high-pressure situations. Communication with fellow players and coaches through the metaverse facilitates knowledge and experience sharing. AI plays a pivotal role in team operations. Blockchain technology enhances transparency and security in player contracts, streamlining contract negotiations. AI predicts player performance and injury risks, aiding teams in making strategic decisions. When it comes to game tactics, AI analyzes data for optimal player placement and pitching changes, giving teams a strategic advantage. AI will revolutionize fan engagement. Fans can watch games live in the metaverse, enjoying a stadium-like atmosphere from the comfort of their homes. AI understands individual fan preferences, delivering tailored viewing experiences. Chatbots and predictive games enable active fan participation, fostering shared moments of excitement. Fans can also use blockchain and cryptocurrencies for seamless ticket and merchandise purchases, contributing to the growth of their teams. This transforms fans from mere spectators into active participants in the baseball community. The future of baseball, driven by AI, ensures seamless information sharing and engagement among players, teams, and fans. As technology advances, baseball transcends being just a sport, offering a heightened level of excitement and inspiration. AI propels baseball into the future, expanding its appeal. Thank you for watching this video. The future of baseball is a collaborative endeavor. Let's take a step into a new era and continue to enjoy the wonders of baseball. Thank you and goodbye.